In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload in Google Ads in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to save time and streamline your advertising efforts, this process will be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Ads. Head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your gateway to creating and managing your online advertising campaigns efficiently. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads home dashboard. This is the main area where you manage all your campaigns, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new here. Once you're ready, move your cursor over to the top menu bar and find the Tools icon. It usually looks like a small wrench. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll see various options for managing your campaigns. You're looking for bulk actions, so click on that. This section is designed to help you make changes to multiple campaigns simultaneously, which is perfect if you're managing large-scale operations. Within the Bulk Actions menu, there's a specific option titled All Bulk Actions, and that's where you'll find everything related to mass updates and changes. Click on it to proceed. Now, to get to the heart of bulk uploading, you'll need to find and click on the Uploads option. This area allows you to upload data files directly into Google Ads, and it's ideal for making bulk updates without manually adjusting each campaign. Here you'll be able to upload your prepared spreadsheet or data file. Make sure your file follows Google Ads guidelines and format requirements to avoid any upload issues. Common formats include CSV and Excel files, and it's important that your data is organized correctly. Typically, columns should include campaign IDs, keywords, bids, and other necessary details you wish to update or add. Once your file is ready and formatted correctly, you can simply drag and drop it into the designated area, or click the upload button to select your file from your computer. Google Ads will then process your file, and you'll be able to preview the changes before applying them. This is a great opportunity to double check your data and ensure everything is accurate. If there are any discrepancies or errors, Google Ads will notify you, providing an opportunity to correct and re-upload. And there you have it. With your file successfully uploaded, Google Ads will execute the changes across your selected campaigns, saving you time and effort. Remember, bulk uploading is a powerful tool, so utilize it wisely to maximize your advertising efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.